Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everyone is having an awesome day. So, what we are going to be doing to my truck in this video is in the dash lights, like I had showed you before, like when we're going to pull the dash apart like I had before, but we're going to pull the dash piece out and put LED lights in the dash. So, and we're going to change all the lights like I'd already just changed the light for the heater controls, but we're going to put an LED in there. But we're going to put all LEDs in here. Some of these are already out, so I'm going to pop that out. And then the other thing is on the blinker lights and then the tail lights, I got this awesome stuff. It's translucent black lens paint. So what I'm going to do is just paint my tail lights, marker lights on the side up here, and then blinker lights too. So we're gonna do that. Of course not the headlights. I need new headlights anyhow. This one got water in it. You can see it's kind of hazy a little bit. This one's fine, but I just want some nice LED lights in there, make it a little brighter. And then, so yeah, first thing, we're gonna pop all these lights out, clean them up real good, and start painting. So guys, I got these painted. We're looking at these tail lights upside down here, but anyhow, I kind of like how dark they are. I mean, I don't want them a whole lot darker. I might do another coat. Now the blinkers, I think I want them a little bit darker. I might do another coat on them, but I'm gonna let those dry overnight. Then the next thing we are going to do is start pulling the gauge cluster out and putting the LEDs in there. Light that up a little bit better. Now on my bulbs, these bulbs have been in here for quite a while. You can see that. The front, this front blinker, you can see, focus. This front, no, it's not going to focus, but anyhow. This front blinker, well, you can see that it's flaking off right in my hand. But it's supposed to be orange, like that one. But it's all flaked off. I think I might just put clear ones back in it. I'm not exactly sure. We'll have to see exactly how that works out. But down the road, I would really like to have LEDs all around. So we're gonna get another coat on those, on the tail lights and the blinkers, and then we are going to get going on the gauge cluster, pulling that apart. And then we are going to let the tail lights and everything dry and throw those back. Alrighty guys, so we got these lights back in. I think they look great. So now my third brake light, I'd forgotten about that one, but the bulb in it doesn't work. I think there's a power issue with that, so I'm gonna have to dig into that deeper later, but I will paint that. Now these markers I did not paint because honestly I don't know how orange would look smoked. It might look good, but I think I'd rather do like later get clear markers and paint them. Now these blinkers look awesome. I love these blinkers. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me flip these lights on. That's just the marker lights. And those look good too. Now I did put a clear bulb. I did change the bulbs. I put a clear bulb in these front ones just because I figured an orange one would probably be a little bit too dim, and those were already partially burnt out. They weren't near as bright. Let me throw this thing in reverse real quick just so you can get the look of backup lights. Don't mind the fast running. So there's what that looks like. So overall I am very pleased. So now we're going to pull this dash out and put the LEDs in the dash. So I'm gonna set you guys up and I'm gonna work on that. Alrighty, so here, I'm just going to lay that out of the way. Those wires aren't pulled too tight. Yeah, everything's good there. So I'm just going to lay that out of the way because I don't feel like disconnecting all my gauges. 3 Phillips up here, and then 1 down here, and 1 over here. So I can't pull it the whole way out. I'm not exactly sure kind of hard to see down there, but down on the bottom, the piece that goes to your shift lever that controls this park reverse neutral drive selector right there is holding me up. So I'm just gonna lay it forward because I can't figure out how to get to it because I've never done this before, and I'm just gonna get to all the bulbs we need. So it has these little bulbs that just stick it and turn, and the back is just like a board. You can see there's a ground and a positive on either side of the bulb there. It just goes onto the back of the board on the back there. So I'm just gonna pop those out real quick. They just turn out. And then here are my LEDs that I got. I got these on Amazon for like $7 for 10 of them. So it's exactly the same as these, except it's an LED. So we're gonna pop those in quick and I'll show you the difference that it makes. Are you guys ready to see some light? Now I turned all the lights off here in the shop. I mean, the window, there's some sun shining through there, but I'm gonna try to get this as best as I can. Let me find the switch here. Look at that. The gauges are still just a bit brighter. Did get an LED in there, but these things are just lit up. It is absolutely awesome. But these things are amazing. So one more time on these smoked, painted, what are you going to call them? The headlights are on, so I do need some newer headlights. These aren't very bright. And the taillights. I love these. These look so cool. Now I do need to figure out sometime what is wrong with the third brake light. So I like these. I love everything. The dash lights, the blinkers, the tail lights. I mean, this is amazing. It's just all lit up in here. Even with the lights on, you can still see it is all lit up. Before it was very dim, you could hardly see that. But I am extremely, extremely happy with how it turned out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to comment down below what you think. Make sure to like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. If you are already subscribed, or if you are going to subscribe, click the little bell notification thing right beside the subscribe button. That way you get notified every time I upload a video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys next time.